I grew up in the outdoors, going camping. It's always been a passion of mine, and when I live here I wake up in the morning, I feel that I'm in the countryside, but I'm in the heart of the city bowl.
Our firm is Zeanne and Goss, and we like it because it introduces a feminine and a masculine side, and we find that offers a lot to a project. It offers a lot to a client. There's two different sides to it. In terms of Nick, we've always appreciated his work. We've had a great working relationship throughout our careers with him, and we were so proud when he approached us with his project.
Zeanne and James I've been in contact with and worked with over the last 10 years in the industry. Redoing the house, I contacted her and it was the perfect fit. I'm still in awe, blown away.
We always get excited when we can just use this product in our different projects, and to actually be working with the man, it's been an exciting process, and we were so lucky in that he gave us so much free rein.
Nick was an interesting client because he comes from very much a building background. He knows the ins and outs of building, and so he gave us a huge scope to do exactly what we wanted to do. He was very confident in our abilities.
So Saturday mornings are my best, he'll make us something, and that's why this house is so awesome, because it's just so open. And so I'll be sitting here, Nick will be cooking, and then we normally sit outside, enjoy our breakfast, surrounded by trees.